Hi guys, welcome back to Conchita's Corner. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own pork crumbs. So these are the pork crumbs I'm going to be using. This is the brand from Aldi. There we go. Check. Ingredients: fried pork skin, salt, and sold by Aldi. So this is the Aldi brand. And I'm going to show you guys how to make your own pork crumbs. And you can also store these pork crumbs in a mason jar, put it in your pantry, and they will last you about 2 to 3 weeks. Go ahead and put this on the blender. Now I do like to blend half of the bag first, and then I'll do the other half of it. So I like to put half of the bag first, and then we'll do the other half. Here you have some pork crumbs. So now we're going to go ahead and do the other half of the bag. I'm going to go ahead and do the other half. And I like to store them in a mason jar. This bag makes about 2 cups of pork crumbs. So you can store this in a mason jar and put it in your pantry, and it'll last for a long time. So 1 bag of pork rinds will make about 2 cups of pork crumbs, and you can store it in a mason jar and put it in your pantry, and it will last you a long time. I'm going to be making a Churro Chaffle in my heart-shaped dash waffle maker. And you want to go ahead and start off with one egg, you want to just add a splash of vanilla. I'm going to mix this together. And then we're going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of some white sugar replacement. And mix this. So we're gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of this finely shredded mozzarella cheese. And we're going to add half a cup of the pork crumbs. You just add half a cup of the pork crumbs. Mix this all together. And then you just want to take it and divide it, because it only makes 2 chaffles. So this can be for one, and this can be for another one. Divided, and then it makes 2 chaffles. So this is for one, and this is for the other one. While the chaffle is cooking, I'm just gonna add some sugar and some cinnamon. Put it in a bowl so that way I can coat the chaffle in here. So it's just sugar and some cinnamon. So I added the sugar and the cinnamon. This is what the chaffle looks like. And you want to go ahead and, right when it's hot, coat it in that sugar. So after you coat it in your sugar, it's gonna look like that. You wanna go ahead and put it in your rack to cool down. This recipe will only make 2 chocolates. Anytime you're making waffles or pancakes, always set them on a little rack. That way it's not soggy at the bottom and you get a nice crispy waffle, chaffle. You can eat it. You can eat it hot, you can eat it cold. So when it's hot, you take it, coat it in the sugar, and then you put it here. So you want to let them cool down. Like that. Tastes almost like a churro. Has the same consistency like a churro.